Alright, still a bit toasty out in Iowa. Kind of going through a heat spell right now. Today, I'm going to try to get after doing the trunnion bearings on the rockers. There's nothing wrong with my bearings. Stock, they have needle bearings, and I guess they don't allow the rocker to move as freely, as there's another piece inside there that kind of hampers that. Just turn you around. So I had the front of my car, or front of the Escalade, and then done. Went to work and I pushed all these guys out and pitched them. And that's because from Texas Speed, went ahead and got some new ones. Not the cheapest thing, no. But according to them, they are machined perfectly to fit inside there. So each one gets a new metal rod, if you will. Rocker piece, and then a couple brass bushings, and then they have a snap ring that goes on both sides, and that keeps it all there. So here's these guys, and like I said, they have grooves inside of them for oil to go through, and this is where the rock will be captured on. And here's more. Where are they at? I thought they gave me new bolts. Maybe they didn't. Oh, yep, they did. Okay, so that's all from Texas Speed. Again, it's not exactly the cheapest deal to be going through, but I just want to try to do as best as I can with what I found out from the internet and take care of any potential problems that I may or may not have, and just get it done now and be done with it. And that way later, maybe in life, you know, years down the road, I'll go ahead and supercharge it and I'll be ready to go for that. So I'm going to get after it and probably kind of show you guys the process here shortly. Alright, so that was really quick. Really, it's pretty straightforward when it comes to the trunnion kit. I'm going to swing it around. So you go ahead and have two of these clips here on both sides. Focus, there it is. Behind that clip you have a washer. And then you have your bushing. And then you have our deal that she spins on. Another bushing, a washer, and the clip. There's some play inside of it. I don't think it's not something I could really show you. It's not something I think I'm going to be concerned with. Rockers are supposed to be loose to a certain degree. It allows the rocker to go ahead and move with little friction. And really the only purpose of it to do is just go back and forth. So having a little bit of leeway, I think is going to be fine. So I'm going to get after doing 15 more of those. And I'm not quite sure what else I might do today. I think I might tackle cleaning the passenger side head surface off, because I have yet to clean underneath here and clean the valley up a little bit more. And then possibly put the new head gasket down and put the head on it. Toss in the bolts that I do have, because I'm still missing one. And they said they're going to express ship it. Should be here tomorrow, I think. And that way I'm ready to go, excuse me, to put that head on. And then I'm still waiting on the valley pan. And once all that gets sorted up, that'll be taken care of. I need to clean up the surface for the timing cover. I need to take the tool off there and read up on how to do timing and find top dead center before I put that head on. So I'm glad I'm talking to myself here. You always find out when you're talking to yourself or you're doing these videos that you're like, oh yeah, and you should do that. The also nice thing about doing these videos is that, where did that go again? How did that go? And that's kind of where bigger reasons of having a YouTube channel and doing what I do. And hopefully it helps other folks out. So I'm going to get after my trunnion bearings on my rockers and get that taken care of, and then see where that leads me.
Shake that, what's in the motherfucker?